Welcome to CADCIM Technologies. Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to surf a component, how to extract component information, and how to extract connection details using the Location View tab of the Project Manager. To start with, first let us activate the CADSIM project. Right-click on the CADSIM project in the Project Manager and choose Activate from the shortcut menu. The CADSIM project is displayed in bold text, which means it is the active project. Next, let us choose the Location View tab. The appearance of the Project Manager is changed. Earlier, the Projects tab was chosen. Now the Location View tab is chosen. You need to make sure that the Display Details and Connections button is activated. Now select CADSIM in the component tree. Notice here the component details are displayed in the Details pane in the grid. Scroll down in the Project Manager. You can see all the component details for the CADSIM project are displayed here. Now we will surf a component using this Location View tab. So let us select LS406 from the tag column. Now to surf this component, right-click on it and then choose the Surf option from the shortcut menu. The Surf dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, select this entry and choose the Go To button to surf this component. You will notice that Demo 04 drawing is open and the LS406 component is zoomed in the drawing area. Choose the Close button in the Surf dialog box. In this way, you can surf any of the components from the project using the Location View tab. Now let us discuss how we can extract the component information from the CADSIM project. If you look at this grid, number of columns are displayed in this grid. If you want to add or remove some of the columns from this grid, you need to right-click on any of the column heading. Here you can see in the shortcut menu the columns which are already there in the grid are displayed with tick mark. If you want to add some more columns to this grid, choose the More option. In this Columns to Display dialog box, select the Category checkbox, Rating 1 checkbox, Terminal Number checkbox, and Location checkbox. In this way, we are adding 4 more columns to this detail pane. If you just scroll to right, you can see all these columns are now added to the Details pane. Let us now extract the component information. To do so, choose the Export button. The Save As dialog box is displayed. As we need to extract the component information of the CADSIM project, you need to navigate to the CADSIM project folder. So click on this PROJ folder and double-click on the CADSIM folder so that the component information is saved in the CADSIM project folder. You can see the component details file name is displayed in the File Name edit box. If you want, you can change the file name or you can retain the same file name and choose the Save button. Now the component information of the CADSIM project is saved at the specified location. To extract the connection details, choose the Connections tab. Let us add some more columns to this Connections pane also. For that, right-click on the Wire Number column and choose More from the shortcut menu. In this Columns to Display dialog box, select the Wire Type checkbox, Wire Color checkbox, Wire Gauge checkbox, and then choose the OK button. Again, you can scroll to right to check if these columns are added to this pane. Now to export connection details, choose the Export button. The Save As dialog box is displayed again and you are now directed to the CADSIM folder. Also, Connection Details file name is displayed in the File Name edit box. Choose Save. In this way, the connection details and the component information is saved in separate files at a specified location. Let us now navigate to that location to see those files. You can see the PROJ folder is displayed here. Double-click on the CADSIM folder. Notice here the component details and connection details files are displayed. You can double-click on the connection details file. The connection details are displayed in this file. In the same way, if you double-click on the component details file, component details are displayed in this file. That is all in this video. Now you know how to surf a component, how to extract component information, and how to extract connection details using the Location View tab of the Project Manager. Thank you. Catch you in the next video.